Hi everyone, this is Daisy. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unboxing to do from Dollar Tree, and this is the Dollar Tree Christmas Village set. So let's open up and see what we got. So from my phone, I am going to read the description very quick. It is a 28-piece Christmas Village set, and it's only $13. 28 pieces in total. So you're going to get 4 plastic buildings, 6 trees, and 18 people and accessories. So this is from the holiday catalog that I ordered from, and you can only order it online. So once I'm going to start opening up and talk. Placed your order, the store will deliver it. It's free shipping to your local store, to your local Dollar Tree, and you just show them your email, the email that you received on your phone. It is a miniature one, so don't expect anything big. My village set. And let's grab some. Let's start with the houses. So here's one. Here's the church. It's just plastic. And this one, it has also a sticker that use the LED tea lights on it, so you can see the light coming from it. I got a house. There's a post office. So cute. Here's the back of this. The sides has a window. Yeah, windows on the side. Has windows in the back, front. And the last one is a bakery. This one has also windows everywhere. The front, back with 4 windows. On the side it has switch cameras. I'm sorry about that, but now I'm using my phone, so I'm sorry for maybe the lighting that is going on here. It is nighttime, so just decided to make it during this time because my kids are asleep and I get some peace and quiet. I have the trees. I'm pulling out the trees now. These are, I hope you could see them. So we get a large one here, not that big, but, and then there's a small one here with a lot of snow. So this is the green one with snow. And then here is another one, same style. 2 of them. And I know you can find these separately at Dollar Tree. And then here's the white one. White one with snow. You get a big one and a small one. Now that's all with the trees, and then these are the miniature ones. So you get a tree and then these 2 small. And I'm going to open this one up. Open it. So cute. Look at that. And it fits. Let me see. Very tiny, as you can see. Okay. Like fences around. Let me show you very close. A close look right there. And it's on both sides, front and back, or whatever side you want to put it on, the side. So you get 2 of these, and then you get Santa Claus and some helpers. Nope, let's see. Let's open this one up. You get this little guy here. Whoa. You get this one with, I think he's carrying a tree or fallen from a tree, something like that. Look at that. So cute. And then you get Santa Claus. There he is. There he goes. Oh, my lighting. Maybe too much light. I don't know. Here is this one with the snowman, two little kids playing at the snow, and then the other one like has a shovel or something like that. Let's see. I have a spot for them. I know exactly where they're going to be and how I want it. So cute. Two little boys. Yeah, two boys playing in the snow. Right there. Here is the snowman. There he is. Look at that. And then you get one more in here. And there he is. Okay. I have another one. This is another snowman. Here is snowman number 2. I don't know if you could see it. Probably the light. No? Too bright? I don't know. I hope so. Here he is. Snowman with his arms out. Or here's a sled with some gifts. And then here's another little person with the snow. So cute. And we have another one. Another set. I'm going to make sure. We have one more in the box. And that's it. This is a Christmas tree. Christmas tree there with a star on the top. Ah! This is pretty good. Does it say something? Oh no. Both sides. And here are these here. Man and a woman's. They're singing. And then here's my last one. Here is one of the light. I like how they colored it. I mean, I liked how they paint yellow to represent the light. Christmas wreath. Oh my god, the little tiny bench. Right there. This is my empty box. And I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on my next video. So subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.